Una welcome to another episode. So today I want make we talk about one update way I don't use for some time now, and it don't say I don't talk about they don't change so many things, and I just feel like okay, make I can't do this video, make I still talk about them. Me I like today review platforms where so that if any better come out, we go see 'em. Make sure you like this video, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you go to collect different updates from my hand. Thank you very much. And I beg make you know say this one no be financial advice. Me I no be financial advisor. Me I just they like share updates. I they like review different platforms. And they share my opinion. So you say if you get your opinion, and if you drop your opinion for comment section. So this platform what I want to talk about today, then they call them Earnviv. That the name of the platform nine be that. And I go tell you now the pros and the cons about this platform, waiting I like and waiting I don't like and waiting they don't change so far. And no be tutorial be this one now just my review. But if you find tutorial, just comment tutorial for comment section, and I go create the step-by-step tutorial drop for my Cirrden account, or just follow me on Cirrden, cirrden.com/solidpicturestv, cirrden.com/Solid Pictures TV. So this particular platform is said and say get paid to complete offers, surveys, and more. Now this particular platform, na platform where they say they go reward you, they claim to reward you to complete offers, you complete surveys, you take surveys, offers like offer wars. These offers they say make you download games, install apps, play games, do different kind of stuff. Say then go reward you for your effort. And one thing we gonna say, this platform then they reward you in coin, or point. And if you convert your point to different kind of currency, we go talk about those ones later. We see some things we go do. Say everything you can do to start your earning. They say play games, they say view ads, like to they watch ads. They say offer wars. Now wars where we say if they see different offers like gaming offers, they say play this game to this level, all those kind of things. This one now, the next one can be short links. The next one here can be file set. And file sets is like you solving captcha, just like say they solve captcha. I don't do all these ones before. Then get daily login rewards where they say if you collect, and they say what people say, then get better review for Trustpilot. If you check them for Trustpilot, then get wonderful reviews for Trustpilot. If you just go there, they rate reviews. Different things don't change for this platform. A lot of things don't change because you don't reach 8 months. I know use them. I can't log in recently for one of my live videos. I can't see say they don't change plenty things. So I want make we talk about some of their changes today. First change is where I see we say they don't change their platform interface. Second change is where I observe we say they don't change how much be the minimum withdrawal. Before 10,000 coins before now $1, but they don't change them now. Be say 1,000 coin now be $1. Before you get 10,000 coin, you go work. But now at least it don't better small. You get plenty of hours. So be say if you play games, download apps, install apps, and all those ones. Then get different withdrawal options. Then get PayPal. They get crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Then get ATM, then get Tron coin. If you want withdraw with PayPal, just put your PayPal email address, withdraw. You see say my last withdrawal for this particular update now 8 months ago, I withdraw 3,000 coin, which is like $3. Waiting I like and waiting I don't like about this platform. The first thing I like about them be say it is easy to understand, it is very easy to use. Another thing I like about them be say they get plenty tax and their login bonus, different ways if you use and even referrals and the rest. Another thing I like about them be say they get plenty withdrawal options. So anybody if you withdraw from anywhere. Another thing be say anybody if you use them too from anywhere. It's actually a global platform. So what be some of the things I don't like about the platform? The first thing can be say their earn is no plenty sha. It will take you some time before if you see a tangible amount of money from this particular platform. It could take some time, you understand? So their earn is no plenty. Another thing I know been like about them be say their withdrawal threshold, but they don't fix them because now they don't reduce them. So make we see as in day, make we see as this one go day. So now their withdrawal threshold be another thing where I know become like, but they don't fix that part. From 10,000 coin, they don't bring them down to 1,000 coin. So make we see as in day. So now waiting I know like, and some things where I like be that. So if you don't use the platform before, make you just tell me what you think for comment section. How long, when be the last time we don't use this update, or are you still using it currently? Now just share your experience for comment section. Me, I get 1,700 coin now for my wallet. That won't be like $1.07. I feel come if I want come but I no go come make I sell like $5 before I go fit try to place my withdrawal so that the money go make some more sense. But tell me what you think for comment section. You sure say this kind of thing go worth your time? I be no go worth your time. I be just say make I update when I see this update still dey active for I still dey use sha, and they don't change plenty things. So as they don't change their withdrawal option, so tell me whether I go try for comment section. I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.